Changing your payout method on Guru is a straightforward process that allows you to receive your earnings in a way that suits you best. Follow these steps to update your payout method. Step 1. Log into your Guru account. Start by visiting the Guru website and logging in with your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once loaded in, go to your profile or account settings. Look for the Payment Settings or Payout Methods option in the menu. Step 3. Select your current payout method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Select the option to add or change your payout method. You will typically have choices like bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment services. Choose the one that fits your needs. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the necessary information for your new payout method, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Guru. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Guru's customer support for assistance.